Okay, we've got our shower head off, igniter turned on. We got the Milwaukee battery turned on there. Pump's going, fired on. No water coming through. Let's kick this guy on right there. Igniter kicks on again. And we've got our little weak stream of water here.
Thing smoking.
It is. Not very warm. Shut this guy off. Yeah, the propane's not going. And turn on again. No, did not come back on again. The flow is too low. This flow is turned all the way up. Definitely a problem with the flow on this guy. And let's do a little test here. I'll put a pinch in that here. Undo this guy here. And get my O-ring out before that goes flying across the driveway. And here we go. 3, 2. Oh, there it goes. And I can hear the flame going now. So unrestricted, the water here turns on just fine. Stop it. Water heater turns off. Turn it back on. Water heater functions just fine. It's all about the flow in this guy here.